Let's do a bit more practicing of substitution, and let's apply it once again to working out some points in a table which will enable us to draw a cube curve. Okay? It doesn't matter at the moment what the curve looks like. All I'm going to do is work out the values in a table, and then in the exam obviously you would take the points that you get from the table and you plot them and join them up to get your curve. I'm not interested in what the curve looks like, I'm just doing the substitution calculations. Let's start off with x equals 1. This here I'm going to do in my head because it's straightforward. You take the x and you cube it. So 1 cubed means 1 times 1 times 1. That's 1. And then you treble it, you get 3. If you want to scribble that down at the side somewhere, 3. Plus 1, that's 4. Take away 4, you get nothing. So the first value for y is nothing there. What happens if x is nothing? Well, nothing cubed is nothing. Nothing times nothing is nothing. You treble it, you get nothing. Add nothing, it's still nothing. Take away 4, you get minus 4. So those two are fairly straightforward to do without writing any calculation down. Let's try x equals minus 1. Now for this one I'll write down the working out. So y will be equal to 3 lots of, and then you get the minus 1, and minus 1 is being cubed. So I'll put the minus 1 in a bracket, and I need to cube it. Plus, and then I've got x. Well, x itself is minus 1. So put the minus 1 in a bracket. Take away 4. Take away 4. So that's the calculation you need to work out. Now be careful of the negative numbers. So y is equal to minus 1, first of all, gets cubed. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Times by another minus 1, it becomes minus 1 again. So minus 1 cubed is minus 1. Minus 1 times by 3 is minus 3. Now you've got a plus, a minus 1. Whenever you have a plus with a minus inside a sum like this, they are the same as a single minus. So plus and minus there become a single minus. So you get plus minus 1 is the same as minus 1. Take away 4. This is the same as saying a plus multiplied by a minus 1, you're going to get minus 1 as your answer. If you want to think of it like that, you can do. So there's the sum you've got to work out. Okay, minus 3 take away 1, that's minus 4. Minus 4 take away another 4, you get to minus 8. You can use the army method, joining forces, if you want to. Big minus army of 8 men. So minus 8 goes in there. So we've got a point, minus 1, comma, minus 8 to plot. X equals minus 2. Minus 2 then. Here we go. Y will be equal to 3 lots of minus 2 cubed. So 3 lots, put the minus 2 in a bracket, we need to cube it. Plus x, plus bracket minus 2. Take away 4. Take away 4. Be careful. Minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. A minus times a minus is a plus, times another minus is a minus. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, not 6. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So that's minus 8. You treble it, you get minus 24. The plus times the minus in the middle is a minus 2, and then take away 4. So y is equal to minus 24 minus 2 is minus 26. Minus 26, take away 4, you get minus 30. Use the army method, they join forces to give one big minus army of 30 men if you want. So that goes in there as minus 30. And that's the end of this particular question. You've got here 4 points you could then plot. 1, 0, 0 minus 4, minus 1 minus 8, and minus 2 minus 30. You plot the points, join them up, you get a curve. Now obviously, to get a good picture of a curve, you need more than 4 points. So in the exam they'd probably have 7, 8, 9, 10 points for you to plot, so you can get a nice smooth curve when you join them up. But for the purposes of practicing substitution, which is what this video is all about, I only need to show you 3 or 4 points. Okay, that's the end of this video.